Professional rolling trimmers by Dolly. Quality you can count on. For precision trimming, look no further than a Dolly professional rolling trimmer. This German-engineered trimmer cuts up to 20 sheets at a time and features a self-sharpening blade that cuts in both directions. Don't worry about constantly replacing dull or worn blades. This trimmer sharpens as you cut to maintain a perfectly honed edge. The blade's precision graduated edge will remove even the tiniest sliver of paper and produce a clean, burr-free cut each and every time. Designed for safety, the cutting blade's encased in a plastic housing that virtually eliminates the chance of personal injury. And holding your work securely is no longer necessary. The integrated automatic clamp provides even pressure and prevents your work from shifting. For measuring, the sturdy metal base contains carefully screened guides for straight and angled cuts, and an adjustable backstop, which is the easiest way to ensure consistent accuracy during repetitive cutting. Dolly's Model 550 professional trimmer provides unparalleled accuracy and cuts up to 14 inches. It's versatile, strong, and perfect for trimming paper, cardstock, canvas, and photos. So, when it's time to put the finishing touch on your next project, why trust your reputation with anything less than a Dolly? Dolly, known for quality, engineered for precision. It's all about capacity with a Dolly Premium Rolling Trimmer. With the ability to cleanly cut through matte board, canvas, and up to 30 sheets of paper at a time, it's Dolly's most versatile trimmer yet. For a rolling trimmer, cutting capacities of this level are unheard of and made possible through the trimmer's double-walled aluminum guide bar. It's the strength of this bar that eliminates any chance of bowing or flexing and allows the rotary blade to power through thick, dense material. Of course, the sharper the blade, the easier it is to cut, and the cleaner the results. Dolly's self-sharpening cutting system features a ground rotary blade. System provides even pressure and prevents your work from shifting. For durability, this German-engineered trimmer features a sturdy metal base designed to provide a solid foundation for rigorous use, day in and day out. For measuring, this base contains carefully screened guides and an adjustable backstop, which is the easiest way to ensure consistent accuracy during repetitive cutting. With 5 sizes to choose from, Dolly Premium Rolling Trimmers offer the greatest capacity while maintaining the highest level of precision. Dolly Rolling Trimmers, exceeding even the most serious demands for accuracy.